Hello, and welcome to the next video in the Incredo Analytics Getting Started tutorial series. In this video, I will be talking about and exploring the user functionality of the Debits tab. The Debits tab will typically be the page that contains the most information. It's been developed in the same style as the Credits tab. The donut graph shows the monthly average amount that is being debited from the selected account, in this case the income-bearing account. Each color that makes up the donut graph is a visual representation of the categories that are selected to the right of the graph. The user can select or deselect these icon categories, and the information will subsequently be removed from the summary below. If there are any icon categories that can't be selected and appear disabled, it's because the customer has had no debits that were identified within this category. The functionality for the transaction groups remains the same across the whole application. When I select the rental repayment category, we see the first tier drop-down appear. Similarly to the Credits tab, when the transaction is selected, we see the number of transactions, a description of the transactions, the percentile that this transaction group represents from the customer's net income, the average amount of this particular group of individual transactions, the monthly average being received for the salary category, and the total amount that has been received for the reporting period for each category if there's more than one. This category can be selected again to reveal the subcategory, which provides the user with a more detailed scope of the individual transactions. The particularly useful information for lenders here is the debt repayments and SAC repayment categories. In this example, if we expand the debt repayment category, we see that the customer has had 6 debits to a collections agency in the reporting period. This will provide the user with an indication of what creditors the customer is currently engaged with, and is very helpful when assessing whether a customer has previously defaulted on loans in the past. The grand total provides the user with a quick way to interpret the average value of debits being taken from the customer's account. The report also shows the total amount that has been debited from the selected account during the reporting period. This concludes this video tutorial. Follow me in the next video where I'll be talking about the user functionality of the Bank Statements tab.